Janasena president and one of the superstars of Telugu screen, Pawan Kalyan's elder brother, Nagababu, who is younger than Chiranjeevi, Nagendra Babu, who contested also as MP in 2019 elections. He tweeted something on Nathuram Godse, which is creating quite a controversy in Telugu media in particular. Nagbabu remembered Godse on his birthday that Godse is a great patriot, we should remember him, and much research is not done on his history, etc. Certain things Nagbabu mentioned. So naturally, this created quite a stir, and everybody was agitated that how Godse is glorified, who murdered Gandhi, that is. Then Nagbabu, in the name of correction, he tweeted a second one. He said, Gandhi's murder is debatable. But Godse is a patriot, no doubt, but the circumstances that led to that murder and the effects of that are to be discussed, etc., etc. This explanation is more objectionable than the original tweet, because one may worship Godse as God. But why RSS disowns Godse and Gandhi's murder if he is such a great patriot is anybody's guess. But still Sangha Parivar and their book-stalls, publications, they surreptitiously, conspicuously promote Godse worship cult that everybody knows. And Veera Savarkar, who is considered a guru, mentor of Godse, who escaped punishment only on technical grounds in Gandhiji assassination case, is adored by BJP and Modi party like anything, and his picture found a place in parliament also. So while they are glorifying Savarkar so much, why they disown Godse and take serious objection whenever somebody says that Godse belongs to RSS? And when RSS is disowning Godse, why Nagababu is glorifying all of a sudden, remembering his great patriotism, while at the same time saying that Gandhiji's murder is debatable? Gandhiji's murder is not at all debatable. Any murder is not, for that matter. And father of the nation, assassinated so cruelly, so in a inhuman way, in a planned, treacherous manner, what is there to debate? No, the world itself condemned it, and Jawaharlal Nehru said that life has gone out of our lives. So after all these years, now if Janasena senior leader and also member of the mega family come before us with a tweet glorifying Godse, certainly Pawan Kalyan needs to explain whether he demarcates, whether he denies, whether he supports. It is his wish and his will. But certainly Janasena needs an explanation or a reply or a clarification on this tweet, whether Nagababu's tweet is Janasena's opinion, whether Janasena considers Godse as a great patriot and Gandhiji's murder is to be debated. That means whether it is good or bad, that is a debate anywhere. So it's a big question.